This instructional video is brought to you by Red Rocks Community College and a grant from the U.S. Department of Labor's Employment and Training Administration. Colorado helps advanced manufacturing programs, known as CHAP.
Welcome to Career Connect at Red Rocks Community College. In the first video, you learned how to set up your profile at Career Connect. In this training module, we will cover 3 aspects of Career Connect. You will learn how to update your profile. You will learn how to search for a job. This will include how to save a job to your favorites, how to save a job search, and how to create a job agent. And finally, the third aspect is how to add a resume to your profile. Visit the Career Connect webpage at rrcc.edu/career-connect. And then click on the Student and Alumni Login Register option. This will take you to the student login page. Enter your username. This will be your Red Rocks Community College email address. It will be the one that you used when you set up your Career Connect profile. Then enter your password. Again, this will be the same password that you used when you set up your Career Connect profile. Click on Login. We will first cover how to edit your profile. From the drop-down under My Account, select My Profile. Then select Edit Profile. Make any updates to your profile on this page. Click on the green Save button when finished. Click on the Home option on the far left side to return to your home page. Now let's look how to search for a job. We'll start by looking at the employer directory. Click on the Employer Directory option. This gives you a list of all employers. Now let's take a look at how to search for specific types of jobs. Select Jobs under the Job Internship Search options. If you'd indicated you were interested in internships, you will also see an Internships option under this menu. This takes you to the job search page. For a specific type of position, click on the drop-down arrow in the position type field. Select the type of position you are seeking. If you want to make more than one selection, hold down the Control key. Click the Close option when done. Click on the Search option to find all jobs that match your position types. Scroll down to see the results. To be more selective in your job search, click on the Advanced Search option. To select a job by industry, click on the drop-down arrow in the Industry field. Select an industry from the drop-down options. Hold down Control key to select more than one. Click on the Close option when done. If you'd like to be more selective in your job search, you may use any of the fields in this search screen. Click the Search button when done. Scroll down to see your search results. To learn more about a position, click on the title of the position. On this page, you'll see more details about the position. Scroll down to see that information. Notice the details about the position. Pay special attention to the job description. Also notice the qualifications for this position. If you're interested in the position, after reviewing the details, be sure to follow the instructions under how to apply. You are responsible for contacting employers for positions you are interested in. Do not assume that the employers will find you. After reviewing the position and applying if you are interested, you can return to the top and click back to return to your job search. If you see a job you like, you can save it to your favorites. Let's take a look how to do this. Click on the Add to Favorites option for that job. Let's look how to save a job search. Click on the Save Search option at the top of the list. This will save the search into the Saved Search area. Next time you want to search for jobs with the same criteria, you simply will go to your saved searches and click on this search. Enter a descriptive name for this search. Then click Save. Click OK. In this next step, let's look how to create a job agent. A job agent notifies you through email when the job is added to Career Connect that matches the search criteria. To add a job agent, click on the option to email me new jobs. Enter a descriptive name for the job agent, then click Save. Click OK. Let's look how to preview your favorite jobs and your saved searches. To see your favorites, click on My Favorites. Scroll down to see your favorites. To view your saved searches, click on Saved Searches, and this will expand the list below it. Click on the name of the saved search that you would like to preview. You can save multiple searches. Scroll down to see your search results. Click Home to return to your home page. In this last step, we will look how to add a resume to your profile. A resume is not required. However, it does become an additional piece the potential employers can review. Career Services can help you create a resume. If you do choose to upload a resume, use a general resume. To upload a resume, click on the option to add or update resume on the right side. Click on the Add option next to Resumes. Enter a name for your resume. This can just be resume, or if you are uploading more than one resume, use a unique identifying name. Click on Choose File to navigate to your resume on your computer. Navigate to your resume on your computer. Select the resume you want to upload, and then click on Open. Click on the Save button to upload your resume to your profile. Click Home to return to your home page. If you are done, be sure to click Log Out. This concludes this training module. Let's review what we learned in this training module. We learned how to update our profile. We learned how to search for a job. This included how to save a job to our favorites, how to save a job search, and how to create a job agent. And finally, we learned how to add a resume to our profile.